Welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you exactly how to change your Amazon shipping address after placing an order. It is a straightforward process, but timing is critical. First, open Amazon on your computer. If you are using a smartphone, open your mobile web browser, go to Amazon, and request the desktop site version from your browser settings so all the correct options appear. Once the site loads, log into your account. In the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists, then click on Returns and Orders. Scroll through your list and locate the order you need to update. Please note, you can only change the address if Amazon has not yet started processing or shipped the item. If the item is already marked as shipped, the change button will disappear and your best option will be to cancel the order or contact Amazon customer support immediately. If your order has not shipped yet, click on View or Edit Order located next to the item. On the order details page, look for the Delivery Address section. Just underneath your currently selected address, click the Change button. A menu will appear showing your saved addresses. From here, you can either select an existing address from your address book or click to add a completely new one. Once you have chosen the correct destination, simply click Ship to this address. Amazon will save the update and send you a confirmation email shortly after. That is all it takes to reroute your package. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, to-the-point tech tutorials.